we finally got ourselves moving. Onward to new land. Why am I doing this, you may ask? Well, one reason is to obviously get rich. And second reason, because of my poor wife, I wanted to go on the coaster with her so she can get better.
My head hurts.
Yep, gotta love her. What do you expect? She was old.
Throw her in the river.
After about a month of traveling, we have experienced no casualties.
James, my mother died.
No casualties.
Reed, don't take Hastings route. You'll never make it.
Well, guess that's that. Safe route. Hastings route. I think I chose the right route. I give the people what they want. They'll surely make me leader. One.
I was elected leader.
Well, that's great. I mean, who wants to be leader anyway?
I think I'm a pretty peaceful leader. Reed would not have lasted one day as leader. Okay, well, turns out Hastings is impassable with our wagons, but this is not a setback. Not a setback. Okay, so I think we lost another member. I think his name was Luke. Alright, everyone, do not... Reed, what are you doing?
Mother.
We are now making our way through the desert. It should be a quick 2-day trip.
My oxen, no! We're almost out of water! No, we can't just leave my wagons, Donner!
Reed, we've already lost over 30 oxen, and you have 7 other wagons. Finally got back on the trail. I hope people don't start to go delusional over Hastings and Reed.
How come this shortcut is taking so long?
Who the heck even suggested this route?
I think it was that Reed fellow. That's not gonna make them move faster. That's it.
What did he do this time? I think we took the appropriate act of banishing Reed after he violently murdered this victim.
I didn't do it. In our way. Nope. Oh no.
I think we're a pretty sophisticated bunch. I don't think we're gonna do anything rash like, resort to cannibalism.
Been stranded here for 7 days. Nobody's been looking for us. I'm sure of it. Most of the people have been eating each other. After all the animals went, they started going for the people. I don't know. Oh!